the truth. He is known to be the most truthful man ever lived. Gandhi, a father of nation, he cultivated, let's go to the side of truth. Here he is.
Hi. Honesty is the best policy. By being honest, a person feels peace and happiness in one life. The proverb advises us that being the kindness is the best course of action in an individual life because the truth always trumps our falsehood. Integrity, loyalty, and kindness are some qualities that define the goodness of an individual. The proverb, the honesty is the best policy, point to these characteristics. The strength provided by the trait of honesty is indefinable. In the words of the American author Rick Riordan, it takes strength and courage to admit the truth. The modern day world is filled with deceitful people, and to turn against them is now an easy task. The universal energy provided by the trait of the truth is the only strength to fight against a corrupt world. The trait of honesty is encouraged as the best one. Let's be honest. Thank you.